For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
With the present status of the crypto market, numerous financial backers are hoping to sell their resources in alarm. Then again, we have encountered financial backers who trust in crypto and consider this chance to be a rebate. These equivalent financial backers are additionally investigating Quant cost forecasts on the grounds that QNT is one of the anticipated organizations and digital currencies available. This is precisely exact thing we will cover in this video, including more data about the Quant organization. Assuming you are new to the crypto space, we profoundly recommend looking at our devoted video for crypto amateurs. When you read it, you will have an extraordinary establishment and a more straightforward time exploring through the tomb space. Quant, QNT, price prediction for 2022 to 2030. Quant's future cost is hard to foresee, as it is dependent on various elements, including the presentation of the Quant organization, worldwide monetary circumstances, and the cost of other cryptographic forms of money. In any case, assuming Quant keeps on developing as an organization at its ongoing rate, it is conceivable that the cost assessment for QNT could without much of a stretch beginning moving back to the $100 mark toward the finish of 2022. This would address a critical increment from its ongoing cost of around $60, yet would in any case be way underneath its untouched high of $393.54, came to in May 2021. While Quant's future cost is difficult to anticipate with sureness, we are anxious to impart to you our scientific figure. Remember that these are primarily theories, albeit upheld by realities and other fairly strong variables. So, we should make a beeline for the intriguing part. 2022. A portion of the monetary business top names have loaned their way to Quant's cost visualization. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the cryptographic money area exhibits that many individuals are certain about digital currency. As indicated by the QNT Quant's presentation over the course of the last year, it might accomplish a gigantic lift by the end of the year, dissimilar to other huge coins like Bitcoin and ETH, and get through the $100 mark once more, which will draw it nearer to its past levels. Obviously, there's the situation that we experience further world contentions that can influence the crypto market. All things considered, we can anticipate that QNT should drop in cost. Nobody can say without a doubt the way that low it might go, yet we can undoubtedly see it dropping to around $25–27. 2023. Numerous examiners have made Quant cost expectations for 2023. And the overall agreement is that the cost of Quant will keep on rising. This depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of Quant's innovation, the developing prominence of crypto, and the general uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy. While it is difficult to say precisely exact thing the costs of Quant will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more, everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Quant should reach $140 to $151 toward the finish of 2023. 2024. Assuming that the development for Quant proceeds, we can without much of a stretch see it getting gigantic reception. Our Quant cost expectation for 2024 is pretty much as moderate as could really be expected, to not misinform you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Quant will reach something like $182. On the off chance that we let ourselves be a smidgen more speculative, we'd raise it to $190, bringing it increasingly close to its past pinnacle. 2025. As per numerous Quant devotees and their cost expectations, QNT costs might rise dramatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $219 and $228. Notwithstanding, the most practical assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With boundless reception, QNT cost forecast as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Quant organization can essentially extend and create. All things considered, costs might try and go as high as $250, extremely near its past ETH, however that is very aggressive. Concerning a more regrettable situation, There are numerous things we can't foresee, such as any worldwide military, ecological, pandemic, monetary, and other comparable issues. Be that as it may, we should investigate what we have within reach. In the event that a Quant contender emerges, things can go south for Quant. Something else that can happen is assuming there's any adjustment of the organization's activity. This can incorporate a difference in CEO, designers, other colleagues, and so on. Assuming that occurs, we can see the costs of Quant dropping by 50 to 70%, meaning it will go for about $125, $132. 2026. Keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make crazy cost expectations for Quant. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of QNT will be no less than $340, and come extremely near its past ADH, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, yet as far as crypto, it is. We accept that Quant will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $250 and $280. 2027. As the years go by and Quant proceeds with its development and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly see it going for as much as $320. In any case, assuming that we are more practical, the cost could stay moving sideways, as that is a robust development. We imply that QNT will be assessed at around $310, $340. We figure the lower range of our value expectation will be more exact than the higher. However, obviously, the crypto market is very erratic, so we should keep a watch out. 2028. In 2028, in the event that Quant emerges with new ventures and encounters further reception, we can see it possibly going out from the 380s and arriving at a cost of $392, $405, outperforming the past ATH. In any case, this is for the most part hopeful. On the lower end, we can see QNT being worth around $157, while on normal leftover at around $385. 2029. For the last year of the 10 years, we accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally. We imply that tokens will be nothing strange any longer. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so forth. Thusly, we figure Quant will be moving at around $445 to $458 effectively, despite the fact that we can likewise see it coming to the $450 mark. 2030. Crypto value forecasts are dependably troublesome, as the digital money market is exceptionally unpredictable, considerably more so when we are discussing 8 years into what's to come.